Good everyone, welcome back to my vlog. I hope you guys are doing well. Since one of my friends' dad is not keeping well, I'm going to Thimphu with my mom and my brother to see them and to spend some time with them. Since I'm already going to Thimphu, I thought why not I visit my sister, my mom's childhood friends, and of course my nephew. So I have lots of quite a people to visit, and even though it's for a short period of time, I hope I can spend some quality time with them. So come along with me and let's make this unexpected trip a wonderful one. It was raining throughout the journey, and honestly I didn't mind it at all. And one thing I really love about traveling around the Bhutan is that even though we are going for somewhere else to meet someone, the journey itself becomes the part of its experience. And look at this view, I really enjoyed it and love it. And of course, no road trip is completed without the snacks. So I was really craving for the chips, so here you go. Since it was raining very heavily, I couldn't film it. So we reached to my mom's childhood friends, sitting together and having a cup of tea and some good conversation and enjoying. After spending some time at my mom's childhood friend, we headed to hospital. As I mentioned earlier, my friend's dad hasn't been keeping well, and I just wanted to come and check on him and spend some time with my friend and with his family. So here is my friend Suresh Kale. He came all the way from Australia to see his dad. It is such an emotional and difficult time for him, but thankfully his dad is doing much better and hopefully he will recover soon. ها؟ ويا هانتلو يا سوريش قال شيمي.
Hello, back to
Bhutan. We too. After that, we were really getting hungry and we decided to grab some food and head over to my sister's place. And I thought it would be nice to have some food together, spend some time with my nephews, sister, and my brother-in-law.
आलू स्लो आलू एक बार एक रोल का दो
Namka Rinchin. So we're going to my sister's place and we're gonna have together. So let's go. We are here at my sister's place now. That's my brother. Here my mother. And we're gonna have some snacks together. Puppy! Puppy! See? We see it. Hello, Ate. Yani my sister this Pani na chigi kitchen di. My sister is here. Pani mimi de. kitchen da chikhame mo ajo.
Hello.
뭔가 진짜님이나. Welcome Nado mo. Ani Mimi, this one is the kitchen and sitting room and kitchen and Western style na bimbe. So let's do a room tour. This is my nephew Jangchu. 항tin자. 아까 장추이 캠고라 항tinlit pura. 혹시 제샴모? 슬라나. 난이 introduce 했다? 오늘 슈 제샴. 봐 제샴 직슬라나. Lula? Ah, 저거 nephew 두잖아, 삼촌. 어디죠? Bedroom. Ah, 직슬라. 직슬라? It's my brother-in-law. Ring. Yalda, taş maçı oyunse, num oyunse, semgadida, leşer zonumida. Especially me do any. Ani Ailuina. This is for mother. Yeah. Cheers. Sergil hacinde ana. Gondo. Ya da öyle çeşimde acaba dinarina. Yogurt ne dedi? Special yogurt. Emadazzi. Now we're going back me. Ana. Apa gimi? Ya jodomida. 나도 룸에 흘려줘. 나도. 나도. 치밍 나도 이냐? 안조인 같이 마밤 밑에 실르고. 아예 로코브라이다. 항파인은 항파인? 항파인 나도 뛰어. 항사스피는. 안조인. 나도. Bye. Bye. Stop and look, Judumare. It's already 6:33 now. We are going to meet my another nephew at RTC. This is my sister. Come here. Enjoy. 나도지. 소담니는 민노모. 저희 bye 나도. Bye. After spending a time with my sister and with her lovely family, it's time for us to stop at our next stop. And we are on the way to meet my other nephew who is studying at RTC. So come along with me and then let's meet my another nephew and see how he is and spend some time with him. Move on. Right now I'm here at RTC waiting for my nephew. It's 7:27 already now. That's my nephew and his friend. Hey, 밀어줬어. 이신이마. Bye, 이신이마. Bye. Get 탐이 지가죠. That's the end of my vlog. Thank you so much for watching till the end and spending a little time with me and with my family. So till then, stay safe, take care, and have a good night. Bye. Love you all.